How to install and set up Ticketmaster. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to install and set up Ticketmaster on your iPhone device, what you're gonna do is open Play Store or App Store on your iPhone, then search Ticketmaster. Now what the application does is it helps you to buy and sell tickets for various concerts or other things. Then tap on Get. After the application is downloaded, open it. Then the app will ask you if they can track your activities. You can simply allow it or ask app not to track. After you do that, you have to select accept all. Now you can select 5 or more of your favorites from over here, or if you don't want to, you can simply tap on skip. Now you can enable notifications or simply leave it and enable location. Now it will take you to this page where you can see over here I'm on discover. Over here there is favorite. Here are my tickets. Over here is your account. Now if you want to sign up, what you can do is go to my tickets. Then over here you can see the option that says sign in. Tap on sign in. Then it will take you to this link. From this link, what you can do is you can either sign in with a passkey or you can enter your email address. After that, it will ask you for your password, your first name, your last name, your country of residence, which you can select from here, and your postcode. After you do that, simply tap on these two options which are over here. After you agree, then tap on next. After you fill up all the information and go to next, you will successfully be logged into Ticketmaster, from which you can buy and sell tickets for concerts, sports and various other activities. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next video.